In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on subtitles in Udemy. Now, if you're like me and appreciate having subtitles as an option while you're learning, you're in the right place. Subtitles can enhance your understanding, especially if you're diving into a course that's exploring content in a different language or if you're in an environment where you need to keep the volume low. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whatever you like best. Type in Udemy into the search bar and hit enter. Once the search results pop up, click on the official Udemy website link. Now, if you have it bookmarked, even better. It saves you a bit of time. Now that you're on the Udemy homepage, let's go ahead and log in. You can do this by clicking on the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials, whether it's your email and password, or through SSO, which stands for Single Sign-On if your organization supports that. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Udemy dashboard where you can see all the courses available to you. Next up is finding the course you'd like to watch. In your course list, navigate to the course you're currently working on, or perhaps one you're eager to start. Click on the course's title to open it up. You'll be taken to the course's landing page, and from here, you can proceed to the course player where the video lessons are presented. Now, here comes the part where we enable those subtitles. Scroll down to the bottom of the video player, and you'll see a button labeled Captions. This little tool is your gateway to subtitle options. Give it a click, and up will pop a menu with a list of available languages for subtitles. Simply select the language you prefer, and voila! The subtitles should now be displayed on your video. This feature can be a game changer, especially for those tricky bits where you need just that extra bit of clarity, or if you're revisiting complex topics. And there you have it, subtitles on Udemy at your fingertips. It's such a simple process, but makes a huge difference in your learning experience. Whether you're a visual learner, non-native speaker, or just enjoy having text, subtitles can truly enrich your course time. I hope this guide was helpful for you. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to maximize your learning journey. Enjoy your course.